Coming to the next news, a PIL has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking the constitution of a SIT, headed by former judge, into allegations made by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi regarding large-scale manipulation of voters list in Bengaluru Central constituency during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The petition seeks to halt any further revision or finalization of electoral rolls until compliance with the court's directions and completion of an independent audit. It also requests binding guidelines for the Election Commission of India to ensure transparency, accountability and integrity in electoral rolls, including mechanisms for the detection and prevention of duplicate or fictitious entries. The petitioner urged that electoral rolls be published in machine-readable or OCR complaint formats to allow public verification. The petition cites Rahul Gandhi's August 7th press conference. According to him, there existed 40,000 invalid voters and 10,452 duplicate entries in the constituency. Instances included voters with multiple epic numbers in different states, identical addresses and fathers' names, and over 80,000 voters citing in a single small house as residents, raising concerns of bogus voting. The petitioner stated that such manipulation of the voter list strikes at the very root of the constitutional guarantee enshrined under Article 326, and it violates Article 324, which talks about superintendence of free and fair elections by the Election Commission of India, and directly infringes Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India, which safeguard equality before law and right to meaningfully participate in democratic governance.